Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely have been drifting down, but there's still no real break of structure. The trend is definitely still up, so we need to look at this move down as still possibly a pullback within an uptrend. Now, I do think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up to at least a 50 to 61%. That doesn't mean that it might not make a big pullback in the middle here, for like possibly a wave A and a wave, this would be the A, this would be the B, and then it goes all the way up to these higher fib levels for the C. Definitely a very likely possibility that that's how it plays out. But we do have to be careful with thinking that because, like I said, this could just be a pullback within an uptrend. It could make a higher low and keep going up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we still don't really have a significant break of structure. This 100% level right here, I think if it breaks below there, then we're going to be confirmed that it's making a big wave B like I showed on the daily. Otherwise, we still need to look at this move down as a possible pullback. Been a pretty tricky pattern because it did break up right here at a fib level and then it just went back down. I would personally still be looking for long, so if it does break up at a fib level again, I would definitely still be looking to take it as a long opportunity. If you are trading the short time frames like the 1 hour and below, then you could be looking for shorts right now. And if it goes down and breaks this low right here, then you'll know that the way B is active on the daily time frame and that you should continue to look for shorts at that point. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.